Hi there. Today we're taking a look at 10 awesome replica and kit cars for sale in the US. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel in order to participate in the 500 subscribers model kit car giveaway. Let's get started. Number 1, 1992, Ferrari 512 TR Replica, $19,000, Richmond, Texas. According to the seller, CK3 Design built this on an extended 1984 Fiero chassis with a Chrysler Sebring windshield, coilovers, and a wide track. It has a 3,800 supercharged engine, automatic transmission, aluminum fuel cell, OZ Monte Carlo 18-inch wheels, custom dash with digital gauges, and door poppers, AC lines and controls need finishing. Headlight motors and headliner need attention, paint is driver quality. Number 2, 1965 Factory 5 Racing, Mark 1 AC Cobra, $35,000, Mobile, Alabama. Seller's description says early 2000s Mark 1 with a fuel-injected 363 stroker boss block. Victor Jr. heads, Tremec 5-speed, Ford 8.8 rear with 3.55 gears, coilovers and 2 folders of receipts. Strong power with a true manual Cobra feel. Number 3, 1969 Volkswagen MGTD by Fiber Fab, $7,900, Lindsborg, Kansas. According to the seller, Fiber Fab MGTD style replica on a 1969 VW frame with antique registration, air-cooled 1,600cc engine, 4-speed manual, CD audio, tan vinyl with wood dash, detachable tonneau, clear title, a simple, fun parade and Sunday cruiser. Number 4, 2018 Shelby Daytona Coupe Factory 5 Racing, $106,500, Edmond, Oklahoma. Seller's description says assembled by Factory 5 and Ford Performance at the 2018 SEMA show. Gen 2 Coyote crate motor, TKO 605 speed, Moser 8.8 rear, 3-link suspension, Willwood discs, 18-inch Hallebrand wheels, power steering, gray powder-coated chassis, low back seats with 5-point harness. Number 5, 1956 Porsche 356 Speedster, $35,000, Crozet, Virginia. According to the seller, Thunder Ranch build with hand-laid fiberglass sealed compartments, tubular powder-coated frame, 2017 CC Pat Downs, CB Performance Flat 4 with dual Webers and electronic ignition, 4-wheel disc brakes, climate-controlled storage, clean Virginia title referencing the VW donor with matching VIN, custom walnut interior trim and tan canvas top included. Number 6, 1966 Ford Cobra, $55,000, Pasadena, Maryland. Seller's description says Cobra body with Jaguar rear and Camaro fuel tank, powered by a Chevrolet 427 Big Block clean title, big torque in a classic shape. Confirm remaining specs with the seller. Number 7, 1971 MGTD Replica M6, $12,000, Fort Lee, New Jersey. According to the seller, runs and drives well. Manual transmission, straightforward open top fun that is ready to enjoy. Number 8, 1966 AC Cobra, $44,000, Glen Arm, Maryland.
Okay, so here we have a 1966 AC Cobra replica. A little walk around video. First thing you'll notice is a little bit bigger scoop. Has to fit the 514 cubic inch Big Block Ford engine in there. Got American Racing polished Cobra wheels, ceramic coated side pipes. They are baffled to make it a little quieter for the street. The ostrich leather door panel and dash, black leather seats. A little over 2,100 miles on it.
Seller's description says Pro built by Horsepower Restorations using a Street Beast body and frame. Pearl white with blue stripes, polished wheels, ceramic coated side pipes, Procar leather seats with ostrich dash, autometer gauges, heat and defrost, 514 cubic inch Ford Big Block with quality internals, TCI C6 automatic, Curry 9-inch with 3.50 gears, 4-wheel power disc brakes, Sirius show and go. Number 9, 1934 Mercedes-Benz 500K Replica, $13,500, Peculiar, Missouri. According to the seller, Heritage Motorcars body on a 1978 Camaro chassis with a 354 bolt main, runs, drives, and stops well, needs a new top and a few small items, classic pre-war look with easy GM serviceability. Number 10, 1965 Shelby Cobra Kit, $65,000, Hagerstown, Maryland.
Okay.
Seller's description says convertible Cobra kit that sounds great and is set up for weekend drives, owner selling due to back surgery, a clean V8 roadster vibe for the next caretaker. That would be it for this episode. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. See ya!